All right, hello STV 100 class. This is another edition of STV 100 Weekly. Anyways, let's get right to a very important question. What was our mascot before the Nighthawks? Well, we have one person who was really close. Catherine said that the previous mascot was a unicorn named Ursula. That's really close. That's so close, but it's actually the Nova Raiders. Is what we are. Know what we were. Here's proof if you don't believe me. So at this website here, this shows the roller hockey club, Northern Virginia Community College Raiders Junior College. That's what we were. Annandale, um, blue and white was our colors too. Check that out. All right, so now you can stump anyone with that question. Check that out. All right. Anyways, let's get right to the assignments for this coming week. Whoops, that's for the future. All right, so remember that if you didn't do the academic planning project, you still can for 17 out of 25 points. Still pretty good. Not 25, but 17 is pretty good. I ask that you just do the best you can, fill out all the classes, just plan it out. Remember, you may not follow it exactly to plan, but that's okay. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Email it to me. That's why I encourage you to do assignments early, so if there's an issue, we can take care of it ahead of time. So there's that. The quiz is no longer available. Remember that. All right, now the assignments coming up is career exploration. So these two links here are useful. They don't have any assignments attached to it, but they're useful. Introduction to career exploration video, self-assessment, and career research assignment are the two big ones. So the assessment, I'm clicking here, focus 2. So I'm going right there. And when I click on it, oh no, there's no focus 2. What do I do? Well, click on students, and then focus 2, learn more. Remember the access code is here, and you need your Nova student email account. So just keep that in your mind and know the access code. Click on focus 2. In class, I totally forgot what my username and password were because I have like 300,000 usernames and passwords for Nova and everything else. But I took the time to look it up so I can show you some of my results just for fun. All right. So first of all, I think it's good to do all of these if you can. It won't take super long, half an hour-ish to an hour. Probably half an hour, really. The important ones are really these 4, though. So definitely these 4: work interest, values, personality, skills. I'll just show you mine just for fun and giggles here. All right, so I did the work interest assessment. Let's see, what am I interested in? And this is my Holland code. So we talked a little bit about this, and it's pretty good. It's a tried and true career theory and test. And we'll see if it's accurate for me or not, I'll tell you. So my code is SEA. So out of all of these, I am more SEA, social, enterprising, artistic. All right, and here's the chart. Social, the helpers. I like to work with people, team approach to problem solving when I can. I enjoy teaching, caring for others, volunteering, right? I'm highly verbal. I'm expressing myself. I'm doing that right now. I'm expressing myself. Cooperative, friendly, understanding. I try to be. Am I? I don't know. Uh, Enterprising, persuaders, promoting power status. I like to give talks and speeches. Look what I'm doing right now. I'm giving a talk or a speech. I'm leading a group. Uh, I use my skills to influence others. Am I influencing you? Maybe. You're influencing me. It's a great class. I'm learning a lot. Politics, competitive activities, self-confident, talkative, energetic. Yeah, that's actually me. And then artistic. So I like to do new things, be innovative. So this little video series, that's pretty creative, right? I mean, no one else. Do you have any other teachers doing this? Probably not. If they are, good. If not, they're missing out. Um, Structure, conformity. I like to do things a little differently. I think some structure is necessary in some ways, sure. But as you see, I did the code and it helps me a lot. It's pretty good. These other 3 that I am not, yeah, not so much. Some of these, I do follow, but a lot of these I don't. And so pretty much nailed me on who I am. When I click on continue, it shows me some different things. So family casework, I've done things like this. Been a camp director, for fun. Health educator, social worker. A lot of what I do is social work-ish. Not really. I can't claim that title, but I work with social workers. I've done a lot of these jobs. So it's pretty cool. I want to show you quickly the personality assessment too. So open-minded, enthusiastic, observant, creative, spontaneous, many different things. Academic advisor, that's what I am. That's what I do. Counselor, admissions counselor. Yep. A lot of these can look at the pace of work, the type of work, all that, but some of them are not me, such as chemistry professor. Oh my gosh, like I could be a professor, but chemistry, no, that's not me. I don't. It's alphabet soup to me. I don't get it. So that's what you can get out of this, and then you would just choose two different professions, and then fill in that worksheet, and then turn it in. The worksheet, if I click on, let's say, athletic coach, for instance, it gives me the job tasks, the profile, the skills, values, conditions, education requirements, the earnings. A lot of things that you need for the assignment are all right here. That's great. So that's about it. Let's go Nats, by the way. And I will see you all next Wednesday.